Right, welcome back to the MS Excel tutorials, and today we would be talking about the tabs and groups in the Quick Access toolbar. So we've talked about the tabs. These are all called tabs: the Home tab, the Insert tab, the Page Layout tab, the Formulas tab, and it has a ribbon which provides you with these options. So we have some built-in tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View, Help, and I've told you already that Office Remote is an additional tab that I've installed. On top of that, what we can do is we can create our own tab. We discussed in the previous video that sometimes you want options from various tabs under one tab, and that's convenient when you are switching between the tabs continuously. So for example, if I want to use this cut option and copy and paste along with the formula option, I wouldn't want to keep switching between these two options. So what I could do is I can create my own tab here, somewhere here, and I'll pick some options from this tab there or this ribbon there and some options from the other ribbon, and I'll combine them and come up with a new tab. So we're going with this option, that is create tab, and then we'll rename it and delete it and add groups. By the way, you see in each ribbon or each tab you can see some groups. For example, this group is called the Clipboard Group, which has the option of clipboard or copy or pasting. And then I have another group which is a font, which involves all of the options of font. For example, the font type or size, or bold or italic, and things like that. And similarly, I have another group that's called alignment. So these are all groups. Now, how I'm going to create a tab, I'll go to the File option, and I'll go to Options, and you'll get to see this window. Now, there is this option called Customize Ribbon. And if you see this window, you can see here the main tabs. Shows you all of the tabs which are there. So it's the background, the Home, the Insert tab. The Draw is unchecked. If I click it, it'll be visible. Otherwise, it's invisible for now. Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View. And again, Developer is unchecked. Now, if I click Home, I can see the options of Clipboard. These are all the groups. So the first group is Clipboard, that is there. Then another one is font, and then alignment and number and all of those. Now, if I want to add a tab or a group, that I can do easily. If I click this option, New Tab, that will give me this option. And now if I want to change its name, I would go to Rename, and I'll say Custom. For example, I may type Custom Tab. This is what I'm going to call this tab. And it may have a new group. I'll call that, I again can rename that, and I'll call that Custom Group 1. And if I want, I can have some symbol for that as well. I'll click OK. And then again, I'm going to click OK. So I have a custom tab here next to the Home option. And for now, it's blank. So I'll go back to Options again. And I'll go to this Customize Ribbon option. And now I'll go to this group. And for example, I want to add the option of font. Here, I'll pick it, I'll choose it, and then I'll click Add. So that is added there. And then I want some other option. I can scroll here and I can see, for example, I want the chart types option here. I can add that as well. And then I can create another group, which I may call Custom Group 2. And then I can add some other options there. For example, insert table and insert cells and freeze panes and whatever I like, and I'll click OK. So you see I have this custom tab which has this option which is coming from the Home tab, and then this chart option, which is coming from the insert tab, and then the table option, which is again coming from the insert tab. So it's a custom tab that I've created. And the best application of this is when I want a set of options I'm frequently using, I can put them all together in one single tab and I can use that. Now, if I want to remove that tab, I can go to, again, options, and I'll go to the customize ribbon option. I can remove a particular group if I want. I can select this and I'll click remove and it's gone. Or I can remove the entire tab and it's gone. Now, the second thing that we would like to talk about is this quick access toolbar, which has some buttons. Again, I've discussed it in the previous video that when you want to use this autosave option, you need to sign in with your Microsoft ID, otherwise this won't be available to you. Other shortcuts that are there and that are always there, whatever tab, no matter whatever tab you have selected, these options are going to stay there. So for now, I have save option, undo option, redo option, and add chart element. And there are a few more that I can add. Or the way of adding is I'll again go to file and I'll go to options. And next to this customized ribbon option, you have this quick access toolbar. And for example, let's say I want to add the font option there. I'll click that and I'll click add and I'll click OK. So you see I have got the font option and I can change the font from here. And again, it's a very useful option. For example, I can choose any other font and it's a wonderful option. But that depends on your usage, what options you're using frequently. You can use this, and I'm going to remove this option again. So I'm going to remove it and I'll press OK, and that completes the tutorial for today. Thank you so much.